We're solving problem 1 from the 2018 F equals MA exam B. A large lump of clay is dropped off a wall and lands on the ground. Which graph best represents the acceleration of the center of mass of the clay as a function of time? So, for this problem, our x is time in arbitrary units and our y is the acceleration in arbitrary units. Now, the first thing we can really note is that the clay was dropped off a wall. So it's hurtling toward the ground at an acceleration of negative g, or negative 9.81 meters per second squared, if you're counting that negative is down. So that means that initially our acceleration has to be less than 0, ruling out option A. Now, when it hits the ground, the acceleration rapidly decreases, so there has to be a really big change in acceleration, and then it just goes to 0 after that. So if acceleration goes to 0 after the hit, then it can't be E or C, and since we said that when it hits the ground, it's the ball is experiencing very large forces because it's being smacked on the ground. So basically it has a force pushing it up, so then the acceleration will be in turn positive, and that leaves us with answer choice B, because as you can see, acceleration, it's minus, 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 which means it's falling here, and then it spikes, meaning it goes up this way, and then it just goes to 0 because it eventually stops accelerating or moving at all. So B is our correct answer for this problem, not D.